my name's Ellie May and I'm a second year apprentice here at the National Botanic Garden of Wales.
Hi, I'm Rowan. I'm an apprentice at the National Botanic Garden. This is my first year. I've been here since September.
Hi, my name's Glenn and I'm a second year apprentice here at the National Botanic Garden of Wales. I've learnt many new skills since I've been here, including pruning techniques, pest and disease identification and plant requirements. There's a great horticultural team here with a huge amount of knowledge, and I feel like I've picked up lots on that, and that's why I think it's such a great place to learn. The great thing about the apprenticeship here is it gives you a taste of what horticulture is going to be like and lets you earn some money at the same time. It's confirmed for me that this is the career path that I would like to take, as I've enjoyed every minute being here, and I feel like I've learned so much that I really want to put that into practice in a future career.
I've really enjoyed working here so far and seeing the seasons change outside, and I'm looking forward to seeing the summer. I've really enjoyed my past 5 months here, and I'm looking forward to the next year and a half and everything left to learn.
I'm very excited for the rest of my apprenticeship, and also I want to give a big thank you to the great team here at the Gardens and to the National Garden Scheme and Patrick Daniel Apprenticeship Scheme for supporting us all.